everyone, welcome back to Shari Style. I hope you're all having a great day and thank you so much for joining me. So before I start with my video, I want to tell you guys that I will be uploading one video every week from now on, and the videos will go live on Friday 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 6 a.m. Saturday Indian Standard Time. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I post a video or my video goes live. So please hit that subscribe button down below and you'll be notified whenever my video goes live. So in today's video, I want to talk about how I deep clean my makeup brushes and beauty sponges. If you're someone like me who uses makeup almost every day, it's very important that you keep all your makeup tools really clean and hygienic. So I clean my makeup brushes and sponges maybe after 2 to 3 times that I've used them. I make sure that I deep clean them almost every week. So by the end of the week, over the weekend, I will deep clean them and I will show you how I do this in the video. And why it's very important to clean your brushes is because if you use your brushes every day, they will get dirty, and these are places where bacteria actually grows, right? And then when you use these brushes on your face, you are prone to break out everywhere and it's just not pretty.
Not pretty. Not pretty.
So after I've told you that horror story, let me show you how I deep clean my makeup brushes and beauty sponges. And this is a very inexpensive way of cleaning your makeup brushes, and I assure you that it'll get each and every speck of makeup off and make them squeaky clean and as good as new. And you just need 2 things, and these will be readily available in your house. And the first thing is a dish soap. So here I'm using the Dawn Ultra dish soap, and the next thing is olive oil. So I'll be using the extra virgin olive oil because that is what I have around my house, but you can use regular oil as well. And let's get on with the video where I show you how I clean each and every brush and get them as good as new. So we are going to start off with 1 spoon of olive oil. I like to use 1:1 ratio of both the liquids, and then again 1 spoon of the dish soap. And then I'm just going to give it a gentle mix. You don't need to actually mix it really nicely, just roughly mix it together. So I'll start with my Real Techniques crease brush, and as you can see, it's got a lot of product on it. I used this for concealer the other day, so there's a lot of concealer on the tip of the brush. So I'm just going to dip my brush into the mixture of both the liquids, and as you can see, it's nicely coated in the mixture. And then I'm going to take a paper towel and then start rubbing your brush on this paper towel, and as you can see, already a lot of makeup has started coming off from the brush. Just continue rubbing your brush gently on the paper towel until you see no makeup getting transferred on it. Now we're just going to go ahead and wash our brush under regular sink water, and as you can see, I am rubbing the brush gently on the palm of my hand to just get any additional makeup off. And then I'm going to press the hair of the brush to get any excess makeup or mixture or water off. And while doing this, I'm also going to shape the hair of my brush so that when it dries, it doesn't lose its shape. And as you can see, we have a nice and clean brush. And to dry the brush, I'm going to place it at an angle on a paper towel so that any moisture doesn't get back into the brush and flows out on the paper towel, and it dries nicely. Next, I'm taking my Real Techniques eyeshadow brush, and as you can see, it's got some blue eyeshadow on it. So again, we're going to dip the brush into the mixture and then rub it on a paper towel and get all the nasty makeup off. And I'm going to do this till I see no makeup getting transferred on the paper towel, and then we're going to go ahead and wash it under the sink water and get it nice and clean. You see how clean that is? We see no speck of makeup whatsoever. And lastly, just press the hair of the brush to get any excess water or moisture off. So we're going to continue doing this on the other brushes. So dip, rub the brush and wash it.
And again, dip the brush, rub the brush, and wash it. I think we can make a song out of it. Dip, rub, and wash. And dip, and rub, and wash. Easy, right? Dip, rub, and wash. So now we'll be moving on to cleaning our beauty blenders. Now this is my beauty blender that I use to apply a lot of face makeup like foundation, concealer, to blend my cream contour at times, to also apply some loose powder to set my under eye concealer. So it is quite dirty, as you can see. So I'm going to do something different for my beauty blender. I'm actually going to coat the whole beauty blender in the mixture of the olive oil and the dish soap. And as you can see, I've nicely soaked it in the mixture. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash this with water. And while washing, I'm also going to press it to get any of the makeup off. And as you can see, we've got a lot of makeup from the beauty blender off, and it's getting cleaner. There are a few spots on the beauty blender which still have some makeup on. So what I like to do is I like to soak only those areas where we have some makeup remaining with the mixture, and then rub it on the back of my hand to get that excess makeup off from the sponge. And then again, as before, just wash it while rubbing on the back of your hand. And as you can see, we have a nice clean beauty blender which looks as good as it was when it was new. And as compared to this dirty and gunky beauty blender, we have a nice clean and shiny beauty blender with us. So now I'm going to put all my brushes to dry at an angle just to get the moisture off from them, and also my beauty blenders. And I just like to use a paper towel because it helps absorb any extra moisture from the brushes and the beauty blenders. And I like to keep my beauty blenders and brushes to dry overnight so that the next morning I have a nice and clean brush to work with.
So that's it, guys. This was a very easy, fast and inexpensive way of cleaning your makeup brushes and beauty blenders. And I know you want to thank me, so hit that thumbs up down below and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget, I'll be uploading one video every week from now on, and my videos will go live Friday 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and Saturday 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So subscribe to my channel so that you get notified every time a video goes live. And also, I'll have the links to my previous videos somewhere on the screen and also down in the description, so go ahead and check that if you'd like. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.